Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is actually footage from YouTuber Roli who is apparently a university student, and so far he is the second person in the world who is known and documented to have laid hands on the upcoming DJI MAVIC Mini 2. So he's apparently somewhere on the west coast, and Roli has a small channel. At the time I actually subscribed to his channel, he had less than 200 subscribers. Of course, with the release of this video, his channel is exploding right now. So he did an unboxing, just like the first video from Manuel. This one actually has, he bought the Fly More combo that comes with the 3 batteries. It comes also with a pouch which you can use to carry the drone and the batteries, and the charger, of course, and the new controller with the drone. So apparently he paid $499 for this Fly More combo. Expected price, from what I've gathered, was supposed to have been about $599. So maybe he got a pretty good deal on this one. So he did the unboxing, and just like the previous video from Emmanuel, you have the same components. The one difference I actually noticed, I don't know if it's actually something, is on the controller. On the one for the Mavic Air 2, it says tripod, I think, and the one for the Mavic Mini 2, it says something like cinema or something like cine, not tripod. So I don't know if it's just me not seeing these things right. If somebody has noticed this also, please go ahead, leave a comment below. So rumored release date for these drones is supposed to be November 5th, but with all these leaks and releases coming out, I do not know if that will push DJI to bring forward the release date and actually maybe release these drones maybe over the weekend, this coming weekend. Nothing is clear as of right now, but usually the big YouTube channels will get these drones before everyone. They will have a non-disclosure kind of a deal where they will review, shoot their footage, and then on the date the drone is released, that's when they are allowed to release their footage. But this is kind of a strange year, and so far we've had 2 of these releases, and apparently these drones were bought from Best Buy. So Lerma went on here to compare this drone with the Spark, and also with the Mavic 2 Pro, and you can see the same form factor. You have the folding arms, and of course the Pro is much bigger with a larger camera and more capable. But even though the Mini 2 is small, it actually packs quite a punch in that small package. Weighs in at less than 249 grams, so you don't need to register it with the FCC. That's way smaller than the Spark, and also it has newer electronics inside, which will make it very stable during flight. Well, I'll put a link to the channel from Lerma's channel below. You can go there, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and we are all expecting, I'll update you guys as soon as we have a release date officially from DJI. See you guys on the next one.